Hello friends, as you know that now AI is making new strides in the industry, and a lot of people nowadays talking about the use of AI, how it can be beneficial, and particularly generative AI has been the talk of the town. So today I would show you how you can use one of the known tool from OpenAI, the ChatGPT, to improve your writing and communication skill. Okay, that is a very good tool. So I will show you some brief 2 3 examples for chat gpt. Let me start. Okay, so if you want to improve your communication, you can take use of the tool ChatGPT's interactive tool. There are like a few ways you can improve your communication skills and also improve your communication itself. Like you can use it for proofreading, then you can also use it for writing, and you can use it to improve or you can say adapt to new style and tone as per the need of your audience or whom you are communicating with. For example, let us say you are writing some sentence but you are not sure that whether it is grammatically correct or not. So there you can ask ChatGPT to help you. Let me show you an example. Let us say here, to improve grammar, spelling and style, we are taking one example like we playing pickleball near beach resort. Now we know that this sentence is not grammatically correct. So now what I would do, just a minute, let me this one. So here I will use that same sentence, we playing pickleball near resort. Now I will mention it. Just a minute. Shift it, the following sentence. Spelling as well. Let us see what happens. We are playing because the beach. So okay, so as you can see that it has corrected, like it added this r here. We are playing pickleball near beach resort, near the beach resort. So it also added what you can say, the article. So this made it grammatically correct. If we had written, let us say, wrong spelling of let me write it here like pickleball. Okay, let us see if it can correct the spelling or not. See, again it has now corrected the spelling as well. So you can use chat gpt to improve your grammar and spelling both in the communication. So before you communicate to someone using, let us say, text, you can check once with the tool like chat gpt that how should be the ideal grammar, spelling, everything, right? Now the next thing in communication is that crafting persuasive messages. Now let us say you are in the sales department. I am giving a hypothetical example like you want your seller, you are communicating with your seller. Now what you are looking for is you want to sell the you are having a stationery and you want to sell the printing paper from your stationery. Now the printing paper is also good. You are using some green options for the printing paper which can be recycled as well, right? But you are not sure how to write a proper email and convince the client such that he would go and purchase, give order from you. So you can write something like this. See, this is the slide I was showing. Okay, so now here you can write something like, I am just copying what I have already written here. Let us say, write an email to convince my client John to buy printing paper from my stationery. Emphasize that the paper can be recycled and it is environment friendly. Okay, I will add few more things. Also, emphasize that the delivery of paper would be fast. Okay. Subject. See, now it has crafted a good mail. It has added a subject like enhance your office sustainability with our eco-friendly printing paper. Dear John, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to introduce you to an excellent opportunity to enhance the sustain of your office. We take pride in offering our printing paper highly 100% recyclable and made from sustainable sources. Okay, moreover we understand the importance of, so we are guarantee fast delivery of your orders and smoothly. We are confident that thank you for, see, now this is like from your two lines of the point it has crafted a good professional looking mail and it has provided you a template. You just need to change here the company name and the rest of the details and you can send this mail. Definitely you can ask it for more improvement as well if you do not find this as per what you are imagining that it should be sent. But that you can see, let us say you write regenerate, so it will write the mail again. Now see here it has changed the subject slightly, then added okay, it has added a category competitive pricing, customer satisfaction. Like though we didn't mention about the pricing part, but anyway when you write the mail definitely you would like to highlight such point as well. So you can see it has come up with 4 categories to highlight importance of purchasing this printing paper from your end. So you can see like this is how it has provided a very good example template mail which you can go ahead and use. Now the third example, this is this one. So as I mentioned that often you have to change the communication style of your writing and tone depending on the audience. Let us say I am presenting to the board of directors in my company and I want to communicate that looking at the sales data it seems we are doing good, all inventory is finished, or I mean, or in a say want to say that all the inventory has been consumed and it has been a very good sale going on. But I am not sure like how to write it properly formally in a kind of a business tone. So I can ask ChatGPT to write it for me. For example, let us see. Rewrite this informal paragraph in a formal tone. Keep in mind that the leaders are the level of board of directors. Maybe this is. See, it has like looking at the sales data it seems we are doing good, all inventory is finished. What it says, upon reviewing the sales data it is evident that our performance has been strong. Additionally, our entire inventory has been successfully depleted. See, so how creative writing you can, creative and formal writing you can achieve with the use of ChatGPT. You can, let us say if we regenerate it, how it would generate. Let us see what it comes up with. Upon reviewing the sales data, it is evident that our performance has been strong, all inventory has been sold out. See, this is what we wanted to convey with our writing, but maybe we are not very good in the formal communication. Then we can use this as to make it suitable for our tone and as per the requirement which we have. Thank you.